What's going on, guys? This is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips, and I am going to be reviewing AdvertSuite and going through the software right in front of you. So stay tuned right after this. Okay, so let's go through AdvertSuite, all right? So when you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is what the dashboard looks like. This is how you can filter out by different modes, basically. So you got a search mode. You can filter out by buttons. If you want to filter out with the type of call to action button, you can. If you don't, you leave it alone. If you want to filter out by a certain type of funnel, whether it's a lead pages or click funnels or any, you could filter out by that. If you don't want to filter out by that, just leave it. If you want to filter by e-commerce, you can do that. If you want to filter by WooCommerce, Magento, you can do that. I would put this on none for now. However, if you are doing e-commerce, it's a really good option to use. Then you have by ad type. You could filter out by photo or video if you wanted to select, I only want to see photo ads or I only want to see video ads. So you could filter by that. You could sort by the newest, the longest running, likes, comments, shares, or views, okay? I would probably start out by sorting by likes, okay? You could also sort by shares as well, but I would probably start sorting by likes, give you a good idea of relevant ads, okay? For country, I would select the country that you are in or just the country that speaks the same language. So I'm going to leave this blank for now. You can sort by ad position. If I only want to see, let's say I only want to see news feed, I'm just going to select news feed. I don't want to see side column ads. So I'm just going to do news feed. If I'm in a casino, I'm not going to be looking in the casino realm. So I'll do something like, let's start with health. Okay. Gender, I could select gender. If I only want to pull back ads targeted to males or to females, I could do that. With language, I'm going to select my primary language here, which is going to be English. With age, I can select what, if ads are pointed for people between 18 and 24, if it's, I can select whatever age. I'm going to leave that blank as well. Now, before I search down, you're going to get an idea of kind of what you're able to see. So it's going to show you the likes, the comments, the shares, the date, the ad, has started running, okay, or has been running. Or in other words, it's showing you this ad as of today's date, okay? So you'll see this is what this ad's engagement is as of basically right now, all right? So you go down there, you'll see there's one for Modern Gadget, Lumen 5, these ads that are doing really well, okay? And these are bigger branded ads, so obviously you couldn't really just rip their content, but you can see how they're running ads, what they're saying, what images are working, okay? So what we'll do now is we can do search mode, and usually I'm going to do it by keyword, okay? So I'm doing it by keyword. I am going to put in ad text, okay? So something in ad text. So let's do vitamin. Type in vitamin and come down and click here, search ads. See, no data found. Okay, so let's do something like healthy. Now this word has to be in the ad text, okay? Here's one, keto by Fatoru. Okay, so it says here, bestseller alert. This sold out 5 times. It has 14 likes, 1 comment, 5 shares. This is run on July 1st, okay? Doesn't look like it's still running. Looks like it did okay, but here's what, you can preview the video as well. Now, if I was using the same product, I could just come here, download the video, save it to my PC, and then I could upload that video in Ads Manager and run it on my particular ad, okay? So let's go back up here again. Let's see if we can't do something else. Let's try without any ad text and see what we get. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is sort this by likes. We're not going to put a particular keyword in. I want to show you the actual examples here, okay? So as you can see, this one has 299 comments. It's USB ear cleaning endoscope, okay? So it says this camera can see in the darkest and tightest of spots. You buy here. And here's the video they're using. Lets you view your ear while cleaning it. Wow. So if you were selling or drop shipping this particular item for e-com, just take it, download it, okay? You could use their copy, or you could use something very similar to the copy. What they're saying, I need to get this now. This camera can see in the darkest and tightest of spots. You can use that because that seems to be really working. Now, if you go here, see details of the ad. You can pop this open. As you can see, it's showing you the landing page that this ad is going to send people to. So if you say, okay, I can duplicate this ad, but I don't know how to set my landing page up to make it convert, well, it's giving you the landing page. So what you would do, looks like they may have taken this down temporarily, but what you could do is look at the screenshot and say, okay, well, this is what worked. So these pictures work. This, it says trouble hearing clearly. Stop cleaning your ear blindly, and it's a lot of different text on here, but you could basically take the screenshot, duplicate this landing page, and run basically the same ad to the same demographic. This is run to men for some reason only. I'm not sure why it's not run to men and women. Looks like it was run in Indonesia. Age groups 18 to 20, but that actually is 18 and up. Is what that means. I think that's a little bug there, but it'd be 18 and up on this one. So it gives you an idea also of what the landing page is that the ad is being sent to. So if you're familiar with ad, bridge page, and then conversion, or the person actually buys, it's very important to know the landing page that's being used for a successful ad. So let's go back here. Now that you kind of see how that works, how it filters out, if you go ahead and get the pro version, which I believe is the first upsell, it's also going to allow you to do the same thing with Instagram ads. Okay, so a lot of you may be running your Instagram ads alone, or you may be running Facebook and Instagram ads. But what you can do here is see, hey, what ads are working on Instagram? Same thing. So you can see down here. You can search by, let's do keywords. I'll say iPhone. Okay. Just search ads for iPhone. See what we come up with here. All right. As you can see, this particular ad, 10.9K, which is the amount of likes it has, 629 comments. So would say this is a pretty good ad. Now, this one is in Spanish. But honestly, if you just got this translated, you could duplicate the ad, copy, and you could use a very, very similar image, and then you'd have an ad that's working. Click on details of the ad. Okay, you'll see the landing page here. Looks like that one was just probably a post, since it's showing the exact same landing page. Let's see if it's still on there. Yeah, it looks like that was a boosted post from this particular page, okay? And they probably shut that ad down, which you can see on the demographics as well. It was to Argentina, which is why it was in Spanish, I'm assuming. And there's details for the ad. So you could duplicate that one as well. It works the same way for Instagram ads. You could do the same thing for Google ads with the pro version of this, okay? Now you're going to go sort by newest, run as longing, whatever. Let's say running longest with Google ads here. We're going to come through and do English, so we don't pull up any Spanish ads anymore, at least for me, because I can't read Spanish. Now we're going to go search mode. keyword. Let's do towing. Okay, let's see if it'll let us pull back towing. There we go. So All American Alliance Towing, best towing service in LA. Okay, gives you examples of ads in the towing niche. Okay, now these are the longest running ads. So in other words, with Google ads, because they're normally typically more expensive, you're not going to be running these ads if they're not profitable ads. Okay, so these will be examples of profitable towing ads. So if you were going to run Google ads and you weren't sure what to put for your ad copy, okay, these are examples you can use. View vehicle towing quotes, get instant quotes and compare. The nation's leading vehicle transport resource since 2001. Compare rates from the nation's leading vehicle transport company. Obviously, this ad is working somewhere, okay? So what you would do, if you're starting a towing ad, you want to start to resemble an ad that's already working. So instead of starting from scratch, this is a great tool to tell you, hey, this is working for this company right now. All right. Now they're going to show you what landing page that Google ad is sending to as well. See if it's still up. As you can see, vehicle transport network. All right. So this is a really good, the Google ad option on here on the pro version is actually really powerful because I can type in several different things here. If I want to type in gym, okay, if I own a gym, and we can go ahead and see gym equipment, gym machines, treadmills. Again, we are doing this by longest running, so it has to be in some way working, okay? Looks like this Fit 24 Fitness ad has been working. Best quality fitness equipment. So this looks like they're selling gym equipment on here, okay? Weight loss supplements. Let's say we could do fitness if we wanted to use a different word here. All right. And again, for the price, this tool is something that you can use over and over and over again to get real examples of things that work. So you're not guessing, you're not doing guesswork in terms of what do I need to do to start running ads? What ads are working right now? Okay. All right. So the last one on here is YouTube ads. So you can run YouTube ads as well. Okay. Same thing works. The same concept for YouTube ads. Okay. Let's go here. Just refresh. So now you'll see it's pulling up these YouTube ads. Okay. Now YouTube ads tend to be a little bit, let's go ahead and filter it here. And these are typically like the in-stream ads that you see run before YouTube video plays. So if you're running YouTube ads, again, now you want to know what ads are what ads are working. Okay. Now it's going to let you sort, see, ad type. It could be an image ad, video ad, text ad. Okay. It's going to let you sort by newest, longest running, likes, dislikes, comments, and views. Okay. Views would be a great one to, obviously if it's YouTube, to filter by. Okay. The search mode could be keyword again, advertiser domain. Okay. We're going to keep it broad now so you can see examples. All right. And hit search ads. Now you can see all of these. These are larger. Some of these are larger brands that are running particular YouTube ads. You know, as you can see, you got Jennifer Lopez ads, different ads of that. So you'd probably have to go in here to keywords and do something like, let's say, affiliate marketing. Let's kind of see if we could find something now. All right, here we go. So we've got someone who's running a new webinar training. And you can see
it. The system that I was able to earn money online. It was only after 5 days. I got paid.
Okay, so you can see that he's running this particular YouTube ad, and it's gotten 390,000 views. That tells me this is for an affiliate marketing program. That tells me if I want to run ads for this person's program, I would use this exact video because it's obviously working, okay? This is a very, 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 very powerful tool for YouTube ads. If you understand how to run YouTube ads, if you understand how cheap they can be if you do them correctly, this is a very powerful platform, okay? So I hope you guys got the gist of how everything works. Again, I am going to be including 13 bonuses if you pick up through my link. Again, there's going to be all WordPress plugins. We're going to have a plugin that allows you to put in affiliate marketing programs for users to track referrals. We're going to have a private messaging plugin. You're going to have an email opt-in plugin. You're going to have a Facebook integration plugin, simple ads, pop-up plugin, EasyGram plugin, which allows you to make nice galleries on your WordPress site. Also, social commerce WordPress plugin and converts your site into Facebook-friendly destinations. I'm going to give you all 13 WordPress plugins, 100% free if you decide to get AdvertSuite. I am also going to throw in a complete Facebook Live training program as well, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the AdvertSuite review here, okay? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to leave the link to go ahead and purchase this right now. If you get it, it's $37. I know it's going to go up after the launch week, so get this for a one-time fee of $37. I highly recommend this tool. Very inexpensive and a great asset to have in your business to be able to research what ads are working right now. Guys, this is the cheapest software that you can get that will do this for you. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.